Imagine Earth keeps a diary written in ice. In Antarctica, we drill down 3 kilometers, pulling up ice cores that hold 800,000 years of climate history. Trapped inside are tiny bubbles of ancient air. For 800,000 years, these bubbles show atmospheric carbon dioxide fluctuated between 180 and 280 parts per million, perfectly in sync with the planet's ice ages and warm periods. Today, that number is over 420. We haven't just crept outside the natural range, we've shattered it. And we've done it at a speed 100 times faster than any natural shift recorded in the ice. This explosive increase is the blade on the famous hockey stick graph, a sharp, vertical spike in temperature after centuries of stability. We're now over 1.1 degrees Celsius warmer than we were before the Industrial Revolution, with the Arctic warming nearly 3 times faster than the global average. This isn't just a number on a chart. It's the fuel for our reality. Our oceans have absorbed over 90% of this extra heat. As they warm, they expand, pushing sea levels higher by more than 3.5 millimeters every single year. That same heat energizes storms, turning hurricanes into stronger, slower, wetter monsters. It bleaches the Great Barrier Reef, triggering repeated mass bleaching events in recent years. It melts Greenland's ice sheet at a rate of 280 billion tons a year, and it drives species poleward, fleeing a world changing too fast. The evidence from the past is a story of natural cycles. The evidence of the present is a story of a system pushed to its breaking point. Earth's climate library is no longer just a history book. It has become a real-time alert.